Good morning. Today I'm gonna try to clear bra the carbon fiber spoiler on the GTI. I haven't done much clear brawing, so let's see how it goes, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. Take you guys along for the ride, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, here's the carbon fiber spoiler that we put on, and fitment's pretty good. It's dirty. We gotta clean that first before we can put clear bra on top. You can use some isopropyl alcohol, get that thing all clean, and start the process. I'm gonna have to trim the clear bra on the carbon fiber, and hopefully I don't scratch the carbon fiber. So now that the spoiler has been wiped down, now I'm just gonna spray some slip solution on it, which is water mixed with soap, to try to get a nice application for the clear bra. Alright, let's get some progress updates. Almost there. Install was okay. Cutting it was okay. I don't know if I cut the carbon fiber, but I don't think I did. Alright, so I just finished putting clear bra on the spoiler. Install was okay. I mean, this is the first time I'm really putting clear bra on anything. I don't know if it was because the type of clear bra I used, but it was a little difficult, especially on this dip right here and this crease right here. It's not lifting. Trimming it wasn't bad at all. It was just like trimming regular vinyl. I don't think I cut up the carbon fiber. I had to trim a little bit excess on the edge here, just because clear bra, at least this type of clear bra, is not good when it tries to go through aggressive curves. It starts to lift and it doesn't want to stick down. So at first I cut it up a little bit too long, so it wasn't sticking around the curve. So I trimmed it a little bit more. Everything looks okay. I'm gonna get you a close up. There's the clear bra. This was a trouble spot. A little hazing because I hit it with a heat gun. There are some bubbles down over here because I heated up too much to start the bubble, but it's not really that noticeable. So you can see it's a little bluish tint. This had no heat, so I'm not sure why this is hazing. It may be because it needs to settle a little bit. Make sure all the soap and the solution's out of there. I know you have to let this sit for a little bit. This part where it dipped down, this kept on wanting to lift, so I had to let that sit for a bit before I can actually lay it down. It doesn't look like it's lifting, but yeah, you can see that the little blue haze. I might swap it out in the future, but I just wanted to protect the clear bra right now so nothing happens to the carbon fiber, especially since Christine's the one parked in the garage most of the time. I'm parking out on the street, but yeah, you can see that little blue haze. But it looks good. The carbon fiber really pops with the clear bra. You can see versus non-clear bra versus clear bra, how much more it just brings out the weave. I'm gonna head up inside. I'm gonna let this stay in the garage for a little bit to let it cure. Hopefully some of the water spots will come out. Hopefully there's no big bubbles after it dries, but yeah, I'll do it again. I just have to find other clear bra. This clear bra I've had sitting for a few years now, and I'm just getting rid of it. I first tried it out on the headlight, this headlight here. Oh, it's all mangled up, but Yeah, I didn't want to really stick around the curvature of the headlight that much. I didn't intentionally buy it to go on the headlight. I had vivid vinyl for the headlight and I didn't realize it was a wet install. So when I did the driver's side, it was not cooperating because I'm usually used to dry installs for headlight, taillight overlays. So I wasted basically half the vinyl and I had to figure out what I can do for the passenger headlight. So I just picked up this roll that I've been sitting. Initially I had bought it because I wanted to do door handle inserts to prevent scratching, and I've never gotten to that. She looks good. I like the spoiler. It's not too aggressive, even though it's called the aggressive spoiler. It's just the right amount of extension, and she looks good.